Welcome everyone. I hope you must stay safe and stay healthy. So let's start today's fact. Today we are talking about what is a stress rash. Commonly, stress rash is what is known as HEVIS or urticaria, and it might occur in greater or lesser amounts under a variety of stressful circumstances. It's important to note that urticaria has many different causes, and its presence does not always indicate stress. Instead, it might suggest allergic reaction to ingested food or coming in contact with substances to which the skin is sensitive. Stress rash could be the diagnosis if a person can associate the development of HEVIS with stress. It's also possible for high levels of stress to cause other rashes that are disease based, like a herpes on the genital or face. Many people want to know why stress might result in a rash, and the answers to this are not a clear cut. Stress may affect the body's immune system, which can have an effect on inflammatory response. The reaction may be similar to what occurs when the body responds to a substance to which it is allergic. But in this instance, stress could be considered the allergen. As stress levels rise, so can inflammation and histamine levels essentially. Some people may be having an allergic response to stress. This causes the telltale signs of stress: rash wear bumps, red rashed skins, and itchiness may cover the body in small to large amount. This idea of stress allergy is an interesting one, since some people clearly doesn't have and will likely never get a stress rash. Yet, all people undergo stress. Some people's bodies may simply be better to coping with difficult or anxious times, and others find the slight nervousness can trigger an inflammatory skin response. There may be physical differences in the way people handle the process anxiety that amounts for the variation in stress rash expression. Treating rash stress can take several directions. The first of these is to promote comfort when a person has a active rash. First line treatment is topically oral antihistaminics, which helpful dull inflammatory response and make the rash go away. This can take a few days to be fully effective. Prevention of stress rash is vital too. While people cannot always prevent stress, they might be able to find new methods for coping with it, such as learning relaxation exercise, adopting stress reduction techniques, participating in talk therapy, or finding additional methods to handle high anxiety levels. Sometimes people benefit from medication to treat conditions like depression, anxiety, stress disorder, or panic disorder. This could also help dull the body's response to stress. Given the individual nature of stress response, Each person will likely derive a specific plan that best works, and evidence the plan is working would be reduction of stress rashes. It should not be amazed or assumed hives is a result of stress. People should also plan to see a dermatologist in they if they have recurrent rashes. Sometimes allergy testing is recommended to determine its cause. Since many illnesses are manifested by skin rashes, it's also a good idea to get diagnosis of the rash instead of assuming it's hives. So that's all for today. Goodbye everyone. Have a good day ahead.